I'm gonna show you how to connect Calendly to make.com. So to get started, you have to open your Calendly first for calendly.com, and then from there you just have to go to integrations and apps. And then once your integrations and apps, you just have to select or search API and webhooks. So from there you just need to create a personal access token or get a token ready. So you have to click on continue, then add a name. So I'm gonna rename it make, and then create token. And then from there you just have to input the code that's sent to you via email. So from here I'm just gonna wait and then input the settings or the number code sent to you via email. So from here you just need to copy this token because it's only a one show token, so you really need to copy this API key. So from there, once you're done with that, you have to go to make.com. And then once you're on make.com, you will need to create a new scenario. And then from there, you need to create a new scenario. You have to click on the plus button that will appear here. And then once it already appear there, you just need to search Calendly. So to add Calendly to make.com, you need to search it first. And then from there, you need to select the one that is verified. And then you need to click on an event. So I'm going to choose watch events right here. And then once you select an event, it will automatically create this icon right here. So from there, you need to create a webhook. And then once you created a webhook, it will redirect you again to the next. So make sure you need to rename it. Mine is the same. So I'm just gonna go save, continue, and then click on save. Then it will redirect you again to the next page where it will show you that you need to connect to Calendly. So from here, you just need to click on connect to Calendly. And then once you're that, it will redirect you back to the make.com. And then once you're done with that, you just have to input all necessary details here. You need from events, invitee or created, or invite cancel. You need to do that for the trigger. And then from here, you need to click enter a user URI, and then organize URI. Once you're done with that, you just have to click on save, and then from here you just have to wait and then just click on save. And then that's it. That's how you connect your Calendly to make.com.